In my previous video about the cabin air filters, I mentioned getting a lot of pollen and debris in the filter area. I recently found a solution for leaves that end up in the air intake. This plastic cover has small holes, allowing airflow while keeping out larger debris. This is a relatively cheap upgrade that I had to try out. First, remove the frunk maintenance panel. Unsnap a bunch of clips along the front, and the whole cover comes right off. The air intake is on the left side. Peering down into the air intake, you can see there's quite a bit of leaves in there, and I actually cleaned this out once before in the spring. To clean this area out, you need to unsnap this panel. 4 clips hold it on. Clean out the leaves. I also wiped out some of the pollen and dirt that collects in this area. The new cover that I'm going to install will be attached with double-sided tape. Now that it's firmly reattached, we can start the install. So it's a good idea to clean up around the edges of this intake piece. Now we will unbox the intake cover. Here is the intake cover up close. And now for a quick test fit. Start by peeling the plastic off of the double-sided tape. Now place it over the intake. Fits perfectly in the indentation. Press all around the edges to make sure the tape has a good fit. Once attached, the cover is not a problem if you need to reach the air intake area. The whole panel where the cover adheres to can easily be snapped off with 4 clips. And finally, we reattach the frunk maintenance panel. Press down to make sure all the clips are reattached. That's it, all done. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.